Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make another one using these bottles, and you can order these through doTerra, and you can get them to, this is gonna make a air freshener. So you can use it in the potty, or you can use it on your clothes, make you feel fresh. You can use it in your sheets before you go to bed. So there's many mixes that you can make, whatever you are looking for. So if you wanted to do one for your sheets, serenity, lavender, breathe, those are all really great to use in that one. This one I'm gonna make, I'm gonna put breathe, wild orange, lemon, and lemongrass. Those are just some of my favorites. They just smell really great. So first I'm gonna fill it up with some water. Okay. There you go. And you're gonna put about 2 or 3 drops each of these oils. Those up. Okay, and then you top it off with a little bit more water. Go slow. Okay. And then you're gonna dry off the bottle. Okay, so there you go. Gonna now put a label on this. So I've printed out a little piece of paper. I'll put this closer so that you can see it, but it says doTerra freshener on it. You can just print this out on a piece of paper on your printer and use a piece of tape to tape it on there. So let me just get a little bit closer on that. Hold on. Okay, so here's all the oils that I used on to make this freshener. And so what I'm gonna do is just put this little label that I made. It says doTerra freshener on it. It's just out of a piece of paper. You just cut this tape so it's a little bit longer than the label-ish you're gonna make, and you just slide that right on top. Okay, oops, there you go. And then you just tape it right on there. So if you don't have a label maker, you can still label your bottles. And that just keeps them all straight if you're gonna use them for different reasons. So there you go. There you go, doTerra freshener. So you can add this on your clothes. It just kind of helps you wake up during the day. Just feels fresh and great. So hope you love it. And if you need any doTerra supplies, please message me and I'd be happy to give you a link for that. And don't forget, like and subscribe.